You're going to fully understand Libra energy after watching this video. I'll guide you through their traits, their qualities, and how to activate and embody Libra using activities and journaling prompts. I'm Alethea, your favorite mystic mentor, and I guide my clients through their astrological birth chart to bring them into alignment with their most fulfilling and prosperous life. If you'd like to receive a birth chart reading from me, go ahead, click the link in the description box to get you booked. Now, let's talk all things Libra. Libra's energy is air, meaning they are very logical, very much in their thinking mind. They love to communicate and be social. Their modality is cardinal. They initiate, they go first, they build new things. In Libra's case, it is initiator of connection and aesthetic environments. Their ruling planet is Venus, which is the planet of love, of beauty, of pleasure, of sex, of money. All the lovely things in the world. I love Venus energy. My burlesque name is Lady Venus. If you didn't know, now you know. And Libra rules the 7th house, which is the house of intimate connections, partnerships, one-on-one relationships, marriage, all that good things. They are very romantic, very charming, very charismatic and magnetic. They're all about seeking justice, which can sometimes turn into a little bit of people pleasing or trying to, put their needs on the back burner for everyone else to make sure they're okay and everything's balanced. So just something to watch out for in Libra energy. Be sure you are taking care of yourself too, babe. It's not about everyone else. It's not about making everyone else happy. You have to take care of you too. Their tarot card is the Justice card, which is all about fairness, truth, and balance. Libra's symbol is the scales, which makes total sense with the balance, the harmony. They're really trying to bring justice and fairness into every situation. They want to see both sides. They want to weigh their options and decide what is best moving forward from there. Libra loves being able to express their love for beauty through art, through their environments and the aesthetics that are all around them, whether that be their Instagram feed or their bedroom. Libra needs that beauty. They value it and they crave it. It's what makes them so charming and magnetic, really. I just love that Libra energy. It's so soft, it's so strong, though, at the exact same time. Libra rules the close one-on-one relationships. That deep intimacy that you can only find in marriages and deep partnerships and deep friendships, that is Libra energy. They are the romantics of the Zodiac. They will wine and dine you. They will dress up and take you out and make you feel so loved and so special. They truly and deeply care and love so much. Especially if your Venus is in Libra, you are a hopeless romantic. Here are some of my absolute favorite embodiment practices for Libra energy. This is how to activate it, how to bring more Libra into your life. Self-love rituals. As I mentioned earlier, Libra is all about, making sure everything's balanced and everyone else is taken care of. Sometimes they forget about themselves. So showing that love, that romance that you feel to yourself, so good. I'm talking luxurious baths, oil massages, dressing up, mirror affirmations, just really pouring all that love and romance into yourself. You're gonna feel so good. Pleasure practices, pleasure rituals, just allowing yourself to lean into what feels good to you. Magic for a Libra. Romanticizing your life is another great practice that I love for Libra. Romanticize every little thing that you can. Drink your water out of a fancy glass and add some mint leaves. Stare at the sunshine and smile and feel the rays on your skin. I'm talking find deep pleasure in even the smallest moments. Intimate, deep, beautiful pleasure. From doing the laundry, play your favorite song, dance, sing, like make your life fun. Bring flowers into your home. Set up beautiful places that make you feel safe and loved and so, so good. Another great embodiment practice is to get intimate with somebody that you trust, somebody that you love. Build a deep, intimate connection with them. Eye gaze, stare into their eyes. Have them stare into your eyes and really just feel that deep, intimate closeness. Whatever makes you feel safe and in love and intimate with your person, do more of that, okay? That's gonna embody that romance, that magnetism, that charming Libra energy that we all desire. Another great practice for Libra is to create aesthetically pleasing environments. Your car, your home, your workspace, everything. Make it look beautiful, whatever that means to you. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, but I want you to really create spaces that look inviting and comforting and pleasurable to you. It is so important and it has such a big effect on your mood, on your mind, on pretty much every aspect of your life. Your environment, your outer world is a mirror of your inner world and vice versa. Take care of your spaces. Another great practice for Libra is to engage in arts, poetry, music, or even design. Being able to put that beauty and that romance that you feel into a tangible object, a creative project, is so good for Libra. So good. And it's really going to help you feel deeply connected to yourself and to what you are creating in the world, which is what we need here. Another great thing for Libra is to host a quality time, a quality gathering time with a partner or your friend. Take them out on a really nice date, essentially. You doesn't have to be fancy, you don't have to really go out. You could do something nice in your home, like a candlelit dinner and a paint night, whatever feels good to you. Just make sure that you are spending quality time with the people that you love. Go out of your way to make that happen. I mean, don't go too out of your way, but make it a priority to feel that intimacy and that closeness and show the people around you that you love and that you care for them. Now, here are some journaling prompts that are going to help you activate and embody that Libra energy that is within you. Libra is all about balance, as we know, as we said. So the first journaling prompt is, where in my life am I craving more balance? Where are you craving more balance? Are you working too hard? Are you not playing enough? Are you playing too much and not working enough? Are you spending so much time on other people that you're forgetting to take care of yourself? Are you eating a bunch of fried fat foods that you aren't eating enough vegetables? You know, it could be anything. Are you spending too much and saving too little? Balance is the name of Libra's game. So where in your life are you craving more balance? After you journal on that, you can ask yourself, how can I create this balance that I am craving? Make a little action plan and follow through with it. That's going to help you get so in alignment. It's going to help you feel so freaking good. I would love to know if you have Libra in your chart, where it is. Go ahead and comment below. If you have any questions or comments about Libra, please leave them below. I will be in the comment section hanging out with y'all. And also, I'm hosting another free masterclass. It's coming up July 31st. It's going to be live at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We'll be learning about all the houses in our birth chart and the zodiac signs that rule these houses and what that means and how to activate that energy. So if you want to join me for that fun free class, go ahead. I have a link in the description box. Click that below. If you'd like a personalized one-on-one birth chart reading with me, where I will help you get in alignment with the life you desire and create a custom action plan to make that happen based on your unique natal chart, click the link in the description box to book a one-on-one reading with me. Otherwise, if you enjoyed today's video and you had a wonderful time here with me, be sure to like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss next week, because we're diving deep into Scorpio. Ooh, I love Scorpio energy, if you couldn't tell with my tattoos. It's gonna be a whole lot of fun. And also at this time, I do live energy readings every Sunday night. So go ahead, tune into those. We've been having so much fun over there, and I will see you soon. Thank you for being here, my babes. I love you.